Hello and welcome to One Stop Solo Ads. I'm Jane Mark and I'm the president of Jam Marketing Inc. My partner, Phil Baston, and I have been developing mailing sites for the past 21 years on the net. Many of them are well known, such as SoCal and Profit from Free Ads, Cool Blaster, You Can Reach Everyone, Walkaway Mailer, One Stop Profits, and dozens of others. Some of these mailers are huge with over 600,000 members. Some have anywhere from 7,500 to 15,000 mailers, and some are small with 1,000 to 5,000 members, but they all have one thing in common, and that is very high response rates. Let me say that again. They all have very high response rates. So you may be wondering, why have we started a new site called One Stop Solo Ads? All will become clear in just a couple of minutes. So I hope you will stay and follow along with me. There are three main reasons we started this site. First, this site gives you the use of the Solo Ad mailer for almost nothing. Our prices start at just $5. Two, we want to show each of you how, with a very small investment, you can make a whole lot of dough. Three, there is something really, really unique about One Stop Solo Ads that you won't find anywhere else on the net. It has a cash funnel unlike any other, where even free members can earn like bandits. I call this Solo Ad mailer the mailer done in three-part harmony, and the earning potential is unlimited. I want you to remember that phrase and use it. The Solo Ad mailer done in three-part harmony. I promise this is going to make your head spin. So let's get started. Join One Stop Solo Ads and keep your eyes peeled. On the way in, you're going to find a one-time offer page. Grab some mailing credits right there. As I said, prices start at $5, and if you grab the mailing credits on the way in, you will do really well because they are higher in the members area. So strike while the iron is hot. Let's get mailing in three-part harmony. I'll see you on the inside.